Okay, here's a question. This is all about energetics, and it's an IB question, chemistry. Now, it's talking about calculating the delta H value for this reaction below. We're given two different equations. I'm going to label this 1 and 2. So two equations. We have enthalpy values here, two values given, so we know what the givens are, and it's saying what is the delta H value in kilojoules for the following reaction. How do we do it? Well, the first thing is, you see these reactions that are given 1 and 2, we need to combine them and change them around to get this equation. So let's look at the first equation. Immediately I can see that iron oxide is on the reactant side, and that's what I need. So I'm going to write this out. That's the first equation. So I'm writing iron oxide plus carbon monoxide produces 2FeO plus carbon dioxide. So why have I done this? Because I have accounted for that iron oxide there. Now, if I look at the other reactants, it's carbon monoxide. Now if I look at equation number 2, carbon monoxide is here. So the first thing I need to do is flip it. Okay, so if I do that, that means iron oxide plus carbon monoxide produces iron plus CO2. Now if I look at the equation, let's call that number 3 for that matter, equation number 3, in the reactants you'll see there's 3 carbon monoxides, and at the moment if I look at both of these I only have 2, and on the product side there's 2 ions. So if I have put 2 there, I have to put 2 everywhere on this side, right? 2 moles on each side. Now let's see if this equation actually balances out now if I combine the two. The other thing I want to tell you about is this. So this reaction, number 1, we haven't changed, so the value still stays at -3. This we flipped, so it's become -1. Remember, it was +1 or +11, and we've also multiplied by 2, so now it's equal to -22 kilojoules. Okay, so I'm going to use a different color here just to make this stand out a bit. So if I combine the two, that cancels that out, which is a good thing. Is there anything else that cancels anything else out? It doesn't look like it, so let's add these up together now. So iron 2O3 plus 1 carbon monoxide and 2 makes 3 carbon monoxide, which also gives us 2 moles of iron plus 2 moles of carbon dioxide plus 1 mole of carbon dioxide, which gives us 3 moles of carbon dioxide. So this equation here is the same as this one here. So that now balances up. All we need to do is the maths now. If we add -22 plus -3, this is going to equal -25. Now the answer should be A. Mark scheme says A.